Curly hair propaganda I am not falling for, and neither should you. If you've ever followed a curly hair routine and thought, this is not working for me, you're right, this video is for you. Do any of you feel victimized? It's time we set the record straight, because not every curly hair influencer has your type of hair. And some of this advice is just unsolicited. Because at some point in our curly hair journey, we've all bought the product, the one that's supposed to work on everyone's hair, followed the best curly hair routine or the easiest curly hair routine, and prayed that my hair was just gonna be all right, but still ended up looking like we fought the diffuser and lost. I'm about to hit on 5 points that just need to be squashed. Propaganda number 1. Let's start with the big one. Your hair must be soaking wet to style. Not true. Who actually told you that? Here's the truth. Some hair loves it soaking wet while styling. Some hair absolutely does not. And your porosity changes everything. If you have low porosity, medium porosity, or high porosity hair, soaking wet styling can actually dilute the product, causing less hold and stretch your definition. My hair soaking wet, it sort of works actually, but sometimes it packs its bags and leaves. Sometimes I get more frizz, but it actually gives me a lot of volume. More water, more volume for me. Propaganda number 2. This one gets me heated. Just follow my routine. And your curls will come out top notch. They'll look exactly like mine. No, they won't. No, they won't. Respectfully, your routine is not my routine. You can try and follow it, but we will never get the same results. We are different people. Our hands work differently. Our brushes work differently. Even if we use the same product and the same brush, our density, our porosity, and our hair type are all different. Shocker. You aren't the same as me, so why would your hair be the same as mine? No one is exactly the same, right? God made us all individuals. So our hair is gonna also rock its individuality. Even our strand thickness, the climate we're in, and product tolerance make a massive difference. Sometimes even the vitamins you're lacking can cause this. 2 people can both be type 3 hair and get completely different results. That influencer lives in Miami, humidity, okay? I live in, surprise, rain and hard water, UK. Already, the elements cause a problem. Propaganda number 3. More product equals better curls. No, never. If your curls aren't cooperating, just add more product. Or hear me out. Maybe your hair is suffocating. It can weigh down your curls. Overloading can cause buildup, so your next routine won't look good. Limp curls, slow drying. I have this. The minute I add a product into my hair takes hours to dry. No product, an hour or even less to dry. No diffusing, air drying. If I air dried with products, it could take me all day, 8 hours or more, and then you have a dull finish. At some point, it's not a wash day, it's a product lasagna. We're just piling everything on top, hoping it will work out. Imagine lasagna piled on with everything. Propaganda number 4. You must refresh daily. Who started the refresh every morning agenda? This takes time and destroys the girls. Some of us do not have that kind of time. If your wash day is balanced properly, strong hold gel, good moisture balance, and proper drying, you should not always need to refresh every day. I don't refresh in 8 days. If the gel and balance and everything is in order, from Wednesday to Wednesday, no refreshing. If you are refreshing for 45 minutes every morning, this is not the way. Definitely not. We need to renegotiate. I have so many curl routines for you, so many products I've tried. You should not be doing this every morning. Propaganda number 5. Expensive equals better. Let's talk about the wallet attack. Fenty, Beyonce's range. High price does not automatically mean better moisture, better hold, better definition. What matters more is formulation, ingredients, compatibility with your hair. Not that influencer's hair, but yours. And technique. My curls do not look at price tags and go, yeah, that's it. It doesn't work like that. Here's what I need every curly or natural haired person, wavy haired person to understand. Your hair is not difficult. Your hair is not broken. Your hair just hasn't met the right technique, moisture balance, product combination, or routine yet. And once you figure your hair out, game changer. Now I need to know, what curly hair advice did you try that absolutely did not work for your hair? Drop it in the comments now, because we are exposing the propaganda here. Next week, I got part 2 just for you. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.